Hi, this is Dan Newman from DanNewmanWriter.com, and I'm here to answer the age-old question, which is better, the Fidget Cube or the Fidget Spinner? To be honest, I was pretty happy when I found out my kid was into fidget spinners because I had been curious about them for some time. I found out he had like 5 of them, and I was like, bring all of them. So by that time I couldn't wait, and I already had one, but I don't know, whatever. So without further ado, let's dive up close and personal and really dig into these things. This is a Fidget Cube. This is a fidget spinner. Fidget cubes have all this fun stuff to do. They pretty much only come in this shape. They come with different buttons or different gizmos, but they all look pretty much like this. Fidget spinners come in all shapes and sizes. So which do I like better? They both have their strengths and weaknesses. The fidget spinner, it feels powerful. It has a tactile sensation that, I don't know, the gyroscopic thing. It's mesmerizing and it's really fun. But that's the only damn thing it does. The Fidget Cube, it does all this neat shit. I don't have what ADD or ADHD or whatever any of that stuff is, so I don't know if this is gonna help. The truth is, the fidget spinner is great for boredom when you're waiting for something at work and nothing's happening, so you just sit there and spin the damn thing. Trouble is, I try to get the thing going fast like this, and then it flies out of my hand and it's just like a gunshot going off in the middle of an office. It's great. The Fidget Cube, it's really distracting because what this thing is great for is pretending you're Iron Man and you're using this to tell Friday, you know, to blow some bad guys up or some shit, you know? I mean, it's like, it's all buttons. It's fucking great. And this thing is wildly distracting. I'll be sitting there for 10 minutes and I'll be like, holy Christ, I haven't done anything. So which do I prefer? The fidget spinner for at work when you have to do other crap, and this thing for at home when you're fighting bad guys. I don't know. It's a toy. It's really fun to play with even as an adult. I don't feel bad about this at all. So yeah, leave this one at home. This one's fine for work because it does less stuff. In conclusion, you can find them both for $3 to $6. They're fun little toys. They're good little distractions. I sit there and do this all damn day, you know. And this thing, Jesus. But this thing, it loses this battle because it is so distracting. This one wins because it is not. It's more boring. So, in a sense, this one wins because it's more fun, and this one loses because it's more boring. This is confusing. Thanks for tuning into my video, motherfucker.